Alright, so I'm here at the International Auto Show, and check this out. So this is step back a little bit. This is the new Supra, and they built a NASCAR race car out of a Supra. Well, I mean, let's face it, it's a roll cage with it's a two-frame chassis with a body panels that kind of look like a Supra. But that's kind of cool. Let me flip this around. Hey, look at that. So it's got all the grills are actually just stickers, except for this one right here, which is for the radiator. It'd be cool to take a look under the hood, but you know, it's all blocked off. But I'm sure it's running some kind of carbureted engine. Actually, no. They run fuel injection now. Huh. There you go.
Look how big this car is, larger than us. And you see these tires?
Take a quick look at the interior. Not much to look at, really. Got plastic windows. There you go. Real nice. You have the steering wheel there. All right, MSD ignition. Big slicks. Kind of cool. So I think this is gonna. I didn't expect this. I didn't expect that they'd be making a Supra race car. Well, not a NASCAR race car. Oh, here's the engine. Let's see. It uses I think one of those. Oh, it's a Wilson manifolds, Holley EFI. There you go. Fuel injection. There you go. With it's not coil unplugged, but it's probably the closest thing to it. So individual coils for each cylinder. That's probably good. It keeps it in a nice cool area away from the manifold where it's hot. There you go. But I don't know if I don't think this is a Toyota engine. It says TRD on it in the casting. Let's see. 358 cubic inches, 850 horsepower. Huh, I don't know. It could be like just a one-off engine designed for the car. All right, over here at Chevy, got the new Grand Sport Corvette. Seems pretty cool. Let me see here. Got big rotors there, big steel rotors. Jeez, what tires are they running now? Let me see. 335. So I think last generation C6 was 325. Now they're up to 335. So, right, get ready. Jeez, and they come with. Oh man, they come with two-piece rotors stock. Shit. There you go. Just making your brake pad, your brake changes more expensive. Available with looks like a 6-speed manual. All right. And this is a Camaro SS. There you go. I think it's the LT1 V8. Starts at 25K. And then here's the ZR1. ZR1 convertible. The carbon fiber wing. That's all I want to do at Cars and Coffee. Alright, so back there is Honda. And we're not going to go there, so we're just going to keep walking. I mean, Honda's cool and all, but, you know, they're not really making anything I want to look at, so, you know. All right, Alfa Romeo. Let's see what toys we've got here. I think this is the Giulia, I think? Yeah. We've got the Giulia here. Got the new Stelvio. I had a rumor that Alfa Romeo could be pulling out, but I know that Fiat's pulling out because they're not really selling many cars. But Alfa seems to be doing all right, so. I mean, they introduced the Stelvio, and then is this all that Alfa brought? Yeah. Where's the 4C? Are they not filling the 4C anymore? What the heck? So, straight over here is Dodge. No 4C. Well, since we're by Dodge, let's take a quick look at here. So, got the SRT. I think this is the Durango. Ooh, I love it. This burgundy leather. That's nice. You got the Demon over there. Let's see. I don't care about their minivan, SUV, whatever that is. There we go, that's more like it. Dodge Charger, RT. Where's the Trackhawk? Oh, Grand Cherokee Trackhawk, right over there.
Yeah, let's sit in the car for a little bit.
There you go, you got the TA. There you go, now we're talking. Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. $86,000. Oh, they got it locked? Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, it's locked.
Oh, that sucks. This one's $98,000. Yeah, that's why they got it locked. They don't want us messing with it. But man, this thing is sweet. 707 horsepower. It is supercharged. This is a 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds in this freaking huge sedan. Not sedan, SUV. And well, here we got the Jeep Renegade. And that's enough of that. Got the whatever that is. Oh, here's the new Wrangler. And this one's a little modded out. This is the Nacho Jeep concept. So this is in Nacho yellow with a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged. Okay. 270 horsepower. Okay. So they're going to make a Wrangler with a 4-cylinder. I don't know if they've ever done that before. 270 horsepower. Should be pretty peppy though. But I wonder how it'll be off-road. What the hell is this thing? So this is some kind of Genesis, some Hyundai Genesis concept car. So this is the Genesis Essentia. Oh, this is wild, man. Look at that front arrow. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Must be some kind of supercar concept. Jeez, look at the seat, how it integrates. Look at that. See how the seat just kind of integrates into the body, into the leather, the center console there. Oh man. And from edge to edge is this giant LCD screen with a second smaller LCD screen in the center console, just in front of the driver. I guess this is like a gauge display. And these outer sides are just, man, this is nuts.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Michael. I'm one of the brand and product experts here at the Genesis display.
Cool.
Welcome. It is with the utmost respect that I'd like to introduce to you.
This is wild.
The
This is wild.
Genesis Essentia, a fully electric powered vehicle. First of its kind. Full carbon fiber.
I'll just let him talk.
Has, about 800 horsepower almost.
800 horsepower.
A few little essence options that this vehicle comes with. So you have a facial recognition, which is pretty
Here we go, Porsche. Oh yeah, that's more like it. So let's see. Here we got a Cayman 718 Cayman. So here we got the 718 Boxster. There we go. All these Porsches are red up here. I think this is a guard red, and I think those two, that 911 and that, I think that's a Macan. I think it's a slightly different red. Could be lighting, But here's a 718 Cayman. Oh, you can be in, I don't care. Yeah, manual transmission. Oh, it doesn't have the Sport Pro pack. You can. Hey man, if you're gonna have a Porsche, you gotta have the Sport Chrono pack. Man, come on. So this one is 65,000. All right. And over here, you get the Boxster, 718 Boxster. Where you have the 911 GTS. I think the new 911 is going to be released in 2020, so that'd be pretty cool to check out once it comes out. And over here is the Macan GTS. All right, so we're coming up to Audi, and got some cool stuff here. You got the Audi RS5 in Nardo Gray, which is way too bright. There we go. There you go. And you got a red Audi R8 V10 way down there. Now I know I've driven the RS5, and I'll put a link right here to that video. This car's a lot of fun, and maybe I even drove this car. Who knows? Maybe my hair might still be stuck to the headliner. What else is cool here? I see the new. I think that's the Q3, a Q6. They're making a Q6, a Q5. Okay, they're making a Q5. So I don't know what they're doing. You got the white Q5 here. And, where's all the cool shit? You know what? Screw all this. Let's just jump straight to the Audi, to the R8. So, looks like that's an Audi R8 V10 Spider. Oh, they're making a V10 Plus Spider. Let's go check this out. All right, so here's the V10 Plus Spider. So, V10 Plus Spider. So the V10 Plus Coupe has a fixed rear wing. This just has a rear spoiler. And this looks like there's more carbon fiber on the hood and the rear bonnet. Is it open? Let's see. Maybe not. Maybe it is. Where's the button? There it is. And no, it's locked. Of course, naturally. They always lock the supercars. You know, the stuff you actually want to sit in. But you can see it's got the really, really good interior. It's like carbon fiber on the center console around the dash vents. And it's got the, what's it called? The Audi MMI. Audi Virtual Cockpit. And carbon fiber mirror caps. We can go back around this way. And I think it's got the carbon ceramics, does it? Yeah, there you go. What else is going on? There we go. Can we siphon gas? No? No? Alright. So there you go. Until I can get a chance to drive it and do a video with it, here's the V10 Plus Spider. I just overheard some guy, he was like looking for the Audi RS6. Little does he know that, well, Audi doesn't bring the RS6 here. I don't even know if they make an RS6 in this generation. So he's going to be looking for a little while. 2019 Blazer. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Check it out. It's the new 2019 Blazer. So it doesn't look as like hardcore and badass as the old Blazer in my opinion. This is kind of like a crossover platform. But it's alright, it looks cool. Let's take a look here. Now the Blazer should be a good off-road vehicle, but I think they're kind of making this more for style. It's got a 3.6 V6, 20-inch wheels. Alright, so check this out. I was actually checking out the Blazer, and I actually met a friend of mine, Sahar. So I met Sahar back at SEMA last year. It wasn't in the video, but I took some pictures of her and sent them out. We talked about cars, and she's a huge Chevy girl. And now we're going to play like some kind of game, so let's check that out.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chevrolet, and if you're walking by, you got here at the perfect time. We're about to play another round of mobile trivia. So if you're walking by, come and join me. We're going to do it right now. So the two of you, my first players, do you girls want to play? I mean, you're sitting there, you might as well. It's super easy, I promise you. Come here. I guarantee you're going to do a great job. You're going to know more than you think you know. That's always the case, right? You want to play too, young lady? Come on, anyone else? I can't just have three people. Do you guys want to play around the mobile trivia with us? Yes, I love that. We need some girls. Girls know about cars, I promise you. All right, it's all good. We got 3 against 3. So, what's your favorite Chevrolet ever? The Blazer. High five, yes. And it comes with 2 engine options. Isn't that cool? So, how about you guys? What's your favorite Chevrolet?
Corvette.
Corvette? All
Yeah.
right. Team Corvette and Team Blazer. So, we're going to give Team Blazer a head start because obviously you guys are the faster, quicker 0 to 60s. All right. 3, 2, 1. And so the chrome is very shiny and very bright. Good job. So this one's a premier trim. That's why it has all the chrome accents. So we're going to give you the newest technology at the next level. It's very, or like when you do graded class in school, you go to the what segment classes? You go to the next advanced. Yes, good job. You probably are in advanced, aren't you? So when you have a perfect pavement on 2 sides, you are perfect balance, absolutely. So when you don't, you have different choices, you have different options. That's what we do here at Chevrolet. We have a little something for everybody. So you put your stuff in the back seat, what do you call like your shoes and everything that you do for sports, all your different things, equipment, or you're very close, you're almost there. Oh yeah, you can put it in your, what do you do with your manual option? You put it in first gear. Yes, good job. Love you. All right, so this is a very game. It's very, we're having fun. Yes, we're having fun. That was 6. Thank you. And except you didn't think so. You didn't think it was water. Oh, you wanted water.
I know what we're doing.
It's hydration. All right, well, you guys did 6. Good job, Blazer. All right, Corvette. You guys are up. I have high expectations from you.
Uh-oh.
Ready, set, and... Okay, so you are doing 2 things at once. You're great at doing...
Multitasking.
Multitasking. Yes, you are. Good job. So if you're number 1, you're the...
Best.
You're the best. We're the best here at Chevrolet. That's why we're winning so many awards. Like I said earlier, you have 1 or 2 different choices. You have a lot of different options. So when we're going to go on traveling together, we go on a
Adventure.
adventure, yes, to explore. So if I'm really late, I'm going to get in that Corvette and I'm going to go fast. So I'm doing what?
Driving.
You're driving, but you're going quickly. You're
Accelerating.
It's just like a lane one. Skip it. Rush. It was rush.
Rush.
It was just
Oh.
adrenaline rush. I should have said
Yeah.
that. Okay, so the interior cargo, you call that what? Interior
Space.
space. Good job. Are you looking or cheating in camera?
Yes, I am cheating.
So, so you get a lot of influence by the what? Your
Surroundings.
surrounding is what? What's another word for surrounding? Environment. Yes.
Environment.
6 and 6. That was a tie. What a healthy tie. Good job, Team Blazer. Good job, Corvette. You guys did a great job. So everyone's a winner here at Chevrolet. So what you're gonna get is a pop socket.
Oh,
with
hell
a bow
yeah.
tie on it. So you can put it on your smartphone, your devices, watch
you
a
go.
movie nice and easy, hold it in your hand. Guys, if you're walking by, you want to play, come on by. We're gonna have another game in just.
So, checking out the Blazer, I was actually talking to Sahar, and one of the things that I noted was that the Blazer before was kind of like a on-road / off-road vehicle, and the new Blazer looks a little more on-road, but I think this could be like a interesting foray into off-road crossovers, because right now the current generation, this current setup is on-road, but they could make like a Blazer SS, just like the old Trailblazer SS, so we'll see where that goes. Alright, so I'm here at Jaguar, and they've got all kinds of cool stuff, and actually, right over here, they've got the new I-Pace, and they have the E-Pace too. I have driven the I-Pace at that Land Rover event that I posted up a few days ago. I haven't posted up the video yet. I'm not sure if I will, because I don't think the video was that great, but maybe I'll post it up, whatever. But they have the I-Pace. The one that I drove looked just like this, but it was orange, but had all the same, electrify the pace stickers on it. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. It's not as rubber bandy when you apply throttle, or throttle, whatever it is, the gas pedal. It ramps up the power a little more gradually instead of just giving you all at once. So yeah, it's pretty cool. They got the F-Pace right there, and I believe this is the slightly smaller E-Pace right over here. I'm not sure if they have the F-Type SVR. See, that's more my style. 500 horsepower, maybe more, supercharged V8, all-wheel drive. Now we're talking. All right, guys, thank you for watching. That's the 2018 Miami International Auto Show. This year was a little bit smaller. Volvo, Mercedes, BMW, Ferrari, and Lamborghini, I think Aston Martin as well, they were not displaying. So this show is quite a bit smaller than previous shows. But it was still a lot of fun, still good. I know that they're doing a lot of construction on the renovation of the convention center, so that could be a reason that they factored into with the manufacturers not displaying. So anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out finishlinefactory.com. We've got shirts, fittings, hoses, weld bungs, adapters, all kinds of cool performance stuff. In addition, we've also got some shirts available. Not this shirt, since this is a shirt that my friend bought me, but thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.